So now so it has been done successfully. We've imported the SQL, and this is the SQL that you are looking at. So I'm going to run the installation quickly. So I clicked on install. As you can see, it says install. Let's go to continue. So we're going to have to check it out if it truly installed. So it seems it did. Let's click on login to check, see if everything is working. This should not work. This Google should not work. Yeah. So we have to configure this ourselves. So back to the main menu. As you can see, everything is working well. We've done it. We've finished the installation. So no biggie. So for the next video, I'm going to actually teach you how to completely configure the admin panel. Like simply edit every single thing. Edit the home page for a client for anyone. So we're going to stop the video here. I'm going to stop the video here. And if you have any question about anything at all, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you still need the website script, just know that um my WhatsApp number, my group channel, or my group message, whatever it is, will be in the description below. Simply go over there to get all the necessary links you need or you think you need. To get the script, you can just simply click on the link in the description to get the script. It's that easy, that simple. So I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.